Have you tried Atta Mathris? I'm going to make them. So let's go. I've taken some wheat flour in the plate and now I'll put some salt as per your taste. And now uh, some ajwain seeds. And now I will mix them. Now I'll put some refined oil in this flour. And now I'll mix it. We have to put the refined in the dry flour only. We'll mix the oil until it starts making a fistful of knead. Okay, just like this. Now it means oil is enough in it. Now we'll mix water in it. Now I'll mix water. See, in this way the flour has been kneaded tightly. We'll keep it aside. Now I will make small balls of the dough, a little bit smaller than the regular rotis. I've made some balls and now I will flatten them with the help of a balloon. I've rolled all the matris a little bit thick. See, they are not so thin. Now I have taken oil in a pan and I'll start frying these. Oil is not so hot. It is on low temperature. We'll fry these matris on low temperature, low flame. We need to have patience when we fry matris, as they are fried on low temperature. It will take time to get cooked. They get a little red. See, they have started turning red. Now the color is fine, and I will now take it out from the pan. See, they are ready now. They have the right crispy sound when I break them. I'm going to enjoy it. Hope you also enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.